How to use Fathom AI in Microsoft Teams. So first, you're gonna have to install the Fathom app or your desktop version for Fathom. So you can go to your preferred browser and just search for Fathom AI, and from there you can get started. You can sign up for free, and eventually you will see this option, Fathom Classic, and this other option here. But for now, you're gonna press on download for Windows. So it's gonna appear over here, and once it's done installing, you're just gonna go ahead and finish up the setup. So it's pretty much just gonna appear here into the top. Then once done signing in, you should be able to open your Fathom from here, and you can open your Fathom settings and connect your Microsoft calendar. It should just bring you to your preferred browser. Go ahead into your settings again, and you'll have your video conferencing. You'll see the stuff that is already connected, but you're gonna have to connect your Microsoft Teams as well. That's pretty much where you can find your Microsoft calendar. But if this is already fully enabled, then it should be connected already. Then once you are in a meeting, in your Teams meeting, you can go ahead and open up your Fathoms again, then go ahead into add to meeting, and you're gonna paste the meeting URL. For Google Teams, you should be able to find it into the people section and the share invite. Press on share invite and press on copy meeting link. It should be copied to your clipboard. Go back to your Fathom AI and just paste the meeting URL. So over here, and just press add Fathom to meeting, and this will appear in the top right corner. As you can see, the recorder will be joining. You'll see which kind of meeting it is joined into, but after that, you will be able to admit Fathom into the meeting when prompted, and also inform participants that the meeting is being recorded. Fathom will capture the conversation and create a transcript, highlights, and AI generated notes. And after that, the meeting, open your Fathom to review the recording and everything else that was mentioned. So as you can see over here, it is now waiting in lobby. We can just go ahead and accept the Fathom AI like so, and you will be able to have your Fathom AI in your Meet now. But that's pretty much the general idea on how this works. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.